Everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some more important bits regarding the topic classes from the English grammar. Choose a correct relative pronoun. The writer Dash wrote that article won the Nobel Prize. Answer who? Now our cat is home again and we can't believe how many dash. Answer kittens she has. Last week our cat gave birth to a litter of kittens but we didn't know where dash. Answer our cat was. Choose the wrong sentence. Answer if I get there, I would call you. She always arrives on time. How many dependent clauses does this sentence have? Answer 0. You are not supposed to punish him. The given sentence has dash. Answer one main clause. He fell as I fired. This sentence has dash. Answer one main clause and one subordinate clause. She is feeling unwell, so she cannot attend her office today. The underlined part is dash. Answer independent clause. A clause that stands alone is called dash. Answer independent clause. Choose the correct relative pronoun. He was wearing a cap, dash was black. Answer which? Choose the right answer. Dash she is beautiful, everybody hates her. Answer although. Fill in the blank with an adjective clause. The cricket bat dash is mine. Answer which has a broken handle. Choose a correct answer. I went to hospital dash I was feeling ill. Answer because. Put the verb in brackets in the correct tense. If I dash early, I will call you. Answer finish. Observe the following. Sentence A. John did his homework before he went to bed. Independent clause. Sentence B. I don't like Mondays. Dependent clause. Identify the correct answer. Answer. Sentence A is true and the sentence B is false. Put the verbs in brackets in the correct tense. If I dash early, I will call you. Answer finish. If it dash all day and night, there might be a severe flood here. Answer rained. If they dash a shuttlecock, they could play badminton. Answer had. If he had at least $20,000, he dashed the house. Answer could buy. If Sinu sir teaches us, we dash. Answer can understand. If Rahul and Rasul are friends, they dash with each other. Answer will cooperate. Sentence A. If the dog had been chained, it would not have bitten the salesman. Sentence B. If the heart is your weapon, success would become your slave. Answer. The sentence A is correct. Sentence A. If I had a car, I could have come fast. Sentence B. If the tire had not punctured, they could have arrived earlier. Answer. Both the sentences are correct. Sentence A. If our teacher had taught us well, we could have understand well. Sentence B. If she had not stopped talking, she would have to leave the library. Answer. Both the sentences are correct. Sentence A. If you have eaten less and exercised more, you will have lost some weight. Sentence B. If I have the answer to the riddle, I would have told you earlier. Answer. Both the sentences A and B are incorrect. What would happen if the sky were the earth? What kind of class is the underlined word? Answer. Main class. We can't do anything before dash. Answer. The doctor comes. It is raining now. We would better wait until it dash. Answer. Stops. By the time he dash here, it will be too late for the theatre. Answer. Gets. I will never speak to her dash I leave. Answer. Whereas. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our more videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.